Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my press-ons for designs. So for this, you're going to need a nail file. Any nail file works. I think this one's 80/80, but I don't remember. You're also going to need a nail buffer. Y'all, please don't talk about my nail buffer. I know it's a little beat up. I got a new one right after this video. You're going to need some alcohol pads, and you're going to need a base coat. The base coat that I used is the Beatles foundation. And you're going to start off by filing the extra tip of plastic on the top of the nail. And for this step, you want to be careful because you don't want to file too much and mess up the shape. Okay guys, now you're going to buff the nails. Now with this step, you want to make sure you remove all of the shine. So just buff away. You see how I'm buffing and go all around the nail. Make sure you get everywhere, okay? Okay guys, so this is what your nails should look like after you've buffed them. And now you're just going to take an alcohol pad and remove all of the dust from the nails. Okay guys, so now that we have wiped the nails down with alcohol, we're going to go in with our base coat. And then we're going to cure the base coat for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so this is what the nails look like when they come out of the lamp. And now you can get ready to do your designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty short, but I do have some longer videos coming. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.